And I don't know. What the hell is that? What the heck is that? What the absolute fuck is it? Starting to regret that I stopped at this rest stop. And they say Bigfoot isn't real? I don't ever want to stick my arm out the window.